Hello students, in our previous video we had learned the different type of agriculture, namely subsistence type of farming and commercial type of farming. Hope you have no doubt with the topic discussed. So in our today's video we will be discussing about agricultural development, in which we will learn how development took place in the field of agriculture. We will also discuss the concept of green revolution in today's video. So far, we have seen that agriculture plays a vital role in the economic growth of any country. The reason behind this is agriculture provide livelihood to many people throughout the world. Secondly, it also contribute to the income of the country, and agriculture also help in its economic development, the economic development of the country. Beside that, the world population is also growing at an alarming rate, and so the demand for the food. To meet this demand, new technologies had to be adopted to raise food production through the use of better seeds, chemical fertilizers, pesticides, better irrigation facilities, and efficient machineries. Traditional methods of farming were rectified and gradually substituted by these new practices in the field of agriculture. Students, now will understand the concept of green revolution. Now, first we'll see the measures of green revolution. What were the measures adopted? The first measure adopted in green revolution is the use of special high yielding varieties of seeds. So these seeds were used by the farmers to produce large amount of grains. Now, apart from that, the use of chemical fertilizers and use of pesticides was also one of the measures that was adopted in green revolution. Then the adoption of assured irrigation facilities and the use of new scientific method of cultivations. They use machineries for cultivating soil, for harvesting, etc. And credit facilities were also given to the farmers, and encouragement for the formation of cooperative societies by the government, where some of the initiatives taken by the local governments for the benefit of the farmers. And protections was also given to the farmers by the government in controlling the selling price of wheat. So even after extensive efforts taken for the development of farmers and their farmings, some factors like drought, weather uncertainty, lack of insurance, and unfavorable government policies are challenges before them. Still, the Green Revolution had a tremendous socio-economic impact on the farmers, who followed and became more prosperous and are able to enjoy high standard of living. The adoption of this package of practices was responsible for transformation of the agriculture in India. So many states like Punjab, Haryana, and even Uttar Pradesh became prosperous after adopting this method. The concept of green revolution was initiated by an American agronomist, Norman Borlaug, in the year 1970. He developed high-yielding varieties of seeds of wheat and was awarded Nobel Prize for his work. Now, Borlaug's miracle seeds form the base for green revolution and is often credited with having transformed India from begging bowl to a bread basket. And Punjab is often cited as the green revolution's most celebrated success story. So students, hope you have understood the concept properly about agricultural development. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, you can ask me. Send message in my personal number regarding any kind of doubt.